Hello everyone. So if you want to adjust the screen brightness on your Xiaomi Watch S3, first of all, let's open up the menu. So to do that, tap on your upper button. Now scroll down to your settings. Here they are. Now you're to find your display, press brightness. And here you can see your switch of auto brightness. So if you want to adjust it by hands, simply turn on the auto brightness option, press custom, and here you can adjust the brightness using the scale. So drag it to the right or to the left to change the brightness. However, if you want to turn on your auto brightness again, and if you're good with it, go back. Once again, open up your settings, open up your display, brightness, and simply turn on the switch on your auto brightness. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.